This guy. Well, since we're on the wireless train right now.
Okay, yeah, we got the SteelSeries Rival 650. Don't buy this.
Your favorite mouse in a wireless form. Why don't you want to buy this?
It's a brick.
Okay. A brick with 24 hours of battery life.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Excellent. 15 minutes gives you 10 hours of game time. Not bad. Not bad. Can I... Hello? All right. Box. Yeah.
On SteelSeries Overdoes packaging.
Same thing. Rise up.
Yep.
Exact same package as you saw on the 600. Crack it open.
And there's no mouse. Remember I said don't buy it? Watch this. Watch this. Just gonna take this and throw it.
What's in that guy? Right there, huh? Cable? Is this the one that gives you multiple cables? Oh, we got one. This is basically the same. We got the little thingy. You know, whatever little dongle they have. Which is
I actually have no idea where the mouse is since it's not in the box. Probably upstairs.
The weights again. Oh no, I'm losing them.
Yeah, same. Pretty much the same thing. I do not know where my Rival 650 is at the moment. I assumed it would be in the box.
Man.
But
I was not expecting that box to be empty. You trolled me. I see how it is.
I don't recommend buying the 650. So just go buy the 600. We had a previous video on that. I like it. Give it a shot. Try it out at you know your local.
I mean, I would say if you like the Rival 300, if you like the bigger SteelSeries mice.
No, that's got a big old bulbous butt on it. The Rival 600 is the first SteelSeries mouse.
Really awful.
Modern SteelSeries mouse.
Awful heavy clicks. I remember that too on the Rival 300, I should say.
Yeah, but the Rival 600 is the first modern SteelSeries mouse.
Yeah.
Just put it over in the accessory pile over there. It's my laptop charger. But there we go. That doesn't have a bulbous buttocks on it. That was the first one.
I suppose.